Hi everyone! In this video we would like to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this Motorola Moto E40 smartphone. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you want to either tap on this gear icon in order for you to be forwarded straight for the Gboard settings page, or you can also simply open the General Settings app, scroll almost all the way down and enter the system category, then go for the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the settings page go for the preferences, and at the preferences turn on the number row toggle, and as we will see now, that will essentially mean that the number line on top of the characters of your keyboard has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.